Hi, I'm Carrie Petrusik with Evergreen Dance Center, and I'm just here to show you how to pack your bag for a ballet dance recital. So first and foremost, we want to make sure that you have all of your shoes that you need for each dance. We have jazz shoes, tap shoes, ballet shoes, whatever is appropriate for what you're going to be doing that evening. I would go ahead and put these in first. That way you don't get them on top of your costumes. And then second of all, we would go to your ballet skirts, your ballet tights, and your ballet leotards. So whatever tights are supposed to be with each leotard, whatever color, whether it's tan or the pink that's appropriate for each different costume, make sure that you have each one that goes with each different costume. And I do like to lay these out like that so that I make sure that I don't forget anything. Then I would go ahead and put in the tights on top of that. And then ballet skirts, and then your leotards. If you have any other costumes, I would go ahead and put those on top of that. Any other things with sequins or anything, I just wouldn't put anything on sequins on the bottom because you don't want it to get smashed. The next thing I would do, any other kinds of tights, if they're new tights in packaging, you can put those on top of that. And then a little bit of stuff to get ready while you're there. Any kind of makeup or things that you would need, I would go ahead and pack that. And then last but not least, I like hair to be done before you get there, but just in case something happens, I would pack a brush and an extra hairpin. Then we usually have a lot of different accessories that go with some of the costumes, and they're usually in small bags, small pieces, whether it be a headpiece or a headband, arm pieces, any of those items. They're very small, so I really like to put those on top to make sure that they don't get lost down in the bottom with all the other items. And then actually, if you have a number of dances and this bag isn't big enough, if you're in multiple dances, if you're an older student, then these plastic boxes are really nice to have. That way you can hang up your costumes and then lay them flat in the box. And what I like to do is put them in order of which number comes first. So that way you can pull it off the top and not have to search down and pull things from the bottom. So I would, go ahead and layer them in the order that you're going to be doing your dances. So that's all. Thank you so much. If you guys want any more information, you can go to my website, evergreendancecenter.com. Thank you.